people don't like to wear their glasses. Me, I'm the opposite. I do not mind wearing my glasses at all. I actually like them. I think it's because I'm petrified of contacts. Like, I'm scared of juking myself in the eye, and I feel like I'll be one of those people to forget that my contacts was on and I sleep with them, and then when I wake up in the morning, I'm like, can't even open my eyes. I think I look pretty good with my glasses on. Look, check me out. And speaking of looking good with glasses, I actually have been told by people that I look better with my glasses on, which I felt like that was kind of rude. I can't stand when people think that my glasses aren't prescription. It's kind of my fault because I don't wear them often, but I don't like when they're like, oh, let me look through them. And they look and they're like, oh, is this prescription? Because I can see through them. Like, yes, bitch, it's prescription. I've been wearing glasses since the 5th grade, so that's like, what, 10 years old? Also, maybe you can see through them because you need glasses. Speaking of non-prescription, like back in the days when people used to wear glasses that aren't prescription, I used to be mad as hell. Like, why are they wearing glasses that's not prescription? Are they teasing us people that's seeing impaired? But then I had to think about it, like, Rosetta, you're being a hypocrite because you've always wanted braces. Like, personally, I think braces are cute. Like, I've always wanted them. And maybe people think glasses are cute, and that's why they did it. So when I started growing up, I decided, mind your business, let people do what they want to do, because they're going to do it anyway. But thank you guys for watching. Until next time.